Hey, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone XS. This works on all three models of the XS. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once you see your phone turn off and you see the Apple logo, you can then release the phone. Continue to hold. You can let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel as well. And there you guys go, your phone has been resetted.